dream I know, deep up my feelings for you.
Amid the forthcoming governorship election in Edo State, electorates have been seen collecting 5,000 naira from politicians in Edo State. My people, 5,000 naira in exchange for 8 years of premium suffering. My people, Wàhàla not too much like this. Moving on after this, we have the restated Deputy Governor of Edo State, Shaibu, said he has put his governorship ambition on hold to back the candidate of the All Progressive Congress, Senator Wøršt, to win the September 21st governorship election in Edo State. But my people, before I go break the matter, I go like welcome on especially to my wonderful channel, Reality Latest Gist. May una not go anywhere, may una relax. I'm not gonna me gonna miss this wonderful news. So if today is your first time to join our wonderful channel, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, but don't forget to turn on notification bell so that anytime our news drop, now you can be the first to watch. And my people, don't be small matter they happen. I mean, this governorship election in Edo State. But we're gonna come down, I'm gonna bring on the story one after the other. See, they come our way. So all amazing subscribers, I thank you all so much for joining us. So my people, may we dive into the main story. My people, electorate has been reportedly seen collecting 5,000 naira from politicians in Edo State. Election never start, oh. They don't start to share money. My people, Nigeria need fumigation. 5,000 naira in exchange for 8 years premium suffering, premium shaggy. These people don't they tire. I mean the hardship we did this country. A lot of people are dying of hunger. This will still get mind, go they collect money. My people don't say. Poverty is indeed a weapon of mass destruction. Just imagine 5,000 naira, something that cannot make a good pot of soup. Wait till be 5,000. This is to tell you that even after 4 years, them go still choose extra 4 years of suffer. But it's just 5K. These are the ones sinking the nation. They are the weapon fashioned against the eradication of corruption and progress of this country. These are the problem we are facing. This is what the leaders want for the citizens, giving them remnants. What is 5,000? What can 5,000 buy in this hardship we are into? My people, even the person where they share the money no say hunger day. Honestly, I feel Nigeria deserve what is happening because what is 5K? I feel there should be 20 years punishment for this kind of crime. If you check and wanna go no say, this is one of the reasons why we are still here. Following in hunger. Money will not go feed them for 2 days. Now these people just shamelessly they collect. Well, I don't blame them. It's the government's plan to keep them poor so that they can have a voice. It's just a pity and very saddening. Until the number of mediocres in this country reduces, nothing will change. That is the truth. Honestly, we need a massive reorientation as citizens before this country can move forward. Nigerian politicians are the greatest terrorist group in the country. The biggest insecurity issue we have in this country is the government. The way this government has weaponized poverty, it shocked me. Because what can this 5K do for them and their household? What? Inside suffering, another suffer day. Suffer no dey tire people. Honestly, we're not ready. I can see that some persons are happy and comfortable with the current situation in Nigeria. Because what nonsense is this? The government are weaponizing poverty. People just want to eat the poverty. They are not requesting for too much at all. Unfortunately, this is the Nigeria we live in. Imagine 5K to shut their mouth. For how long? Now, them go still suffer after that 5K finish. Now, it be the truth. So, guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, your opinions in our comment section. I would love to hear from you. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. Moving on to the next one. The restated Deputy Governor of Edo State, Shaibu, said he has put his governorship ambition on hold to back the candidate of the All Progressive Congress, Senator Wøršt, to win the September 21st governorship election in Edo State. Shaibu, who accused Governor Wøršt of frustrating his governorship ambition, said he would try again in the future because he had age on his side. According to the video clip on Sunday, Shaibu, who spoke at the weekend at the Afamai World Congress in Detroit, Michigan, United States of America, he claimed that Senator Wøršt would make a better governor than Aswa Ihodalo of the People Democratic Party, being backed by Obaseki. So he called on the diaspora to be interested in the politics of Nigeria. He said that elections are coming and he would like them to be interested, that they can see that he have moved from the PDP back to APC. that he had moved to the PDP because of the governor Godwin Obaseki. So he's back to APC because of Senator Mondo Bubolo. He said he can remember when he wanted to be the governor of Edo State, and somebody told him that he's going to destroy him if he continued to nurse that ambition. So as we can see, he said they have done everything, but God has kept him alive. He was impeached, but he knew he would come to this program as the deputy governor, that he had been restated, and his impeachment was part of intimidation and harassment, which he has gone through. So they must begin to look for ways to salvage their country. He said he supported the APC candidate because he is a breath of fresh air and is not contaminated yet. So he doesn't speak too much English. He talks less and does more. He is still the first to break the jinx in Edo Central by winning the Senate seat on the platform of APC. So the same scenario that made him a senator is playing out now. So it is obvious that the grace of God is upon Senator Mondo Bubolo, that he has played his card. Moreover, he's still young, that if God says he will be the governor of Edo State, then he will be. But now he has left his ambition to God, and they are going to make Afemai and Edo State the land of their dream. Also, the acting chairman of Edo State, Jared Tinebe, urged the diaspora to be interested in who becomes the next governor of Edo State. He told them that if they fail to be interested in who becomes the next governor of Edo State, which means they will allow the idiot to rule. That today it is impossible to win the election at home without the support of the diaspora. So this program was open to everybody, and he's sure most of the political parties will be here to seek their support because this is an election year in the state. So they have good people in governance in the state, that most of the things that are not going on well will work well now. So Jared Tinebe employed them to encourage their people, their children, to come back home, to join hands with them, because as the chairman of the occasion, they have failed at home and they need the diaspora to help them build their society. And they can't do it without their help. So now they are calling their people in abroad to come and help them, because they know, according to what Jared Tinebe is saying, that they know that they have failed at home. So it's time for the people in abroad. There are people in abroad to come and support them. My people don't be small matter. Now I believe Shaibu they talk say, Mondo people know they talk too much. Whereas he does more. My people. I can remember when PDP they challenged Mondo people, say me come and address the people, that if he knows that he cannot speak fluent English, that he can speak in his dialect. But they just want me just deliver 30-minute speech to the people of Edo State. Because all the campaigns and all that, they say Mondo Bobolo no they talk. That he have about 150 spokesmen that always speak for him. Now Philip Shaibu they try to tell them now, say, they like talk too much. Say he always like talking less, but he does more. My people, which one won't believe? So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, your opinions in our comment section. I would love to hear from you. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Till I come your way next. Bye for now.